Hey, garden lovers! Welcome back to channel, where we share tips and tricks to make your garden thrive. Today, we're diving into the wonders of mushroom compost and why you should definitely consider adding it to your garden. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Mushroom compost? Is that really a thing? Absolutely. And it's a game changer for gardeners, especially beginners. Let's get into it. Imagine having a secret ingredient that not only boosts your soil's health, but also helps your plants grow stronger and faster. Sounds amazing, right? Well, mushroom compost is exactly that secret ingredient. So what exactly is mushroom compost? It's a type of compost made from the byproducts of mushroom farming. After mushrooms are harvested, what's left behind is a nutrient-rich compost that's perfect for your garden. Let's break down the benefits of using mushroom compost in your garden. First up, it improves soil structure. Mushroom compost helps create a soil that's crumbly and well aerated, which is great for root growth. Roots need to breathe, and mushroom compost helps ensure they get plenty of air and space to grow. Secondly, it adds essential nutrients. Mushroom compost is packed with organic matter and nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are essential for healthy plant growth. When you mix it into your soil, it slowly releases these nutrients, feeding your plants over time. Thirdly, it improves water retention, helps your soil hold onto water, which means less frequent watering and less stress for your plants. Plus, better water retention means your plants are less likely to suffer during dry spells. All right, so how do you use mushroom compost in your garden? It's super easy. Start by spreading a layer of mushroom compost about 2-3 inches thick over your garden beds. Then work it into the top few inches of your soil. That's it. You can also use it as a mulch around your plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. And there you have it. Mushroom compost is an incredible addition to any garden, especially if you're just starting out. It improves soil structure, adds essential nutrients, and helps with water retention. Your plants will love it, and you'll love the results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.